Number 26, we're going to use the property. I haven't used this yet. It's not on the list either, but it's the property of real numbers that, property of exponents actually, when, let me write it off to the side here. If you take a number, a, and raise it to the m, and then you multiply that by a to the n, then we add the exponents. So here we have a base being raised to the sum of two numbers. You know, log base 5 of 6 is a number, log base 5 of 7 is a number. Actually, I was going to go one direction with that, but I just recognized I could take this and use a property of logs to combine those. So let's go ahead and do that instead. Log base 5 of 6, so the sum of the logs is the log of the product. 6 times 7, that's 42. And now that's a lot easier to do it this way. So the base 5, log has the same base. Those virtually cancel each other out, and you just get 42. That's it. For number 28, this is a little tricky here, and when I first looked at this, I thought, okay, I had to stop and think for a second, and the only thing I could think of was to take this exponent, which is this whole big ugly expression, and just change the base. Instead of changing it to log base 10, I'm going to change it to an ln. So I'm going to use the change of base formula and rewrite this expression here as ln of 9 over ln of e squared. So we have a base of e squared here, so we write ln of 9 over ln of e squared. Well, ln of 9 can be written as ln of should we do that now? Yeah, let's write that as ln of 3 squared over ln of e squared. And then, since I have an exponent out here, I'm going to go ahead and rewrite that as 2 times ln of 3. And then I could also write that as 2 times ln of e. I could have just written that as 2. But 2 times ln of e means that those 2's can cancel, and we just get ln of 3 over ln of e. And the ln of e, well, we should recognize that's just 1, and so we just get ln of 3. So that whole thing has a value. This log base e squared of 9 is equal to only ln of 3, and so we have e to the ln of 3, and now we should recognize here that both the base e and the log's base, ln means log base e, those are the same, and again they virtually cancel each other out, and all we're left with is that 3. And that's it for that page. And so I'll pick it up in the next video. I'll do the other page, page 309, on the next video.